at all the people. And welcome to Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room. Hey, Michael, the amigo. Attention, it's showtime.
Hey everybody, we are here at the That's From Disneyland pop-up exhibit and auction. This is an incredible amount of park memorabilia. There's ride vehicles here. There's all kinds of cool stuff. It's actually being auctioned off at the end of the month. It's separated into lands just like Disneyland. So we're gonna walk around and check out all the cool stuff and wish I had millions of dollars so I could buy a bunch of it. A lot of this stuff is gonna bring back a lot of cool memories, things that I remember from the parks as a kid. So let's walk around and check it out. When you see them in the water, they don't look quite this big, but here is one of the canoes in the rivers of America. Pretty big, and one of the old animatronic doggies right there. Yeah, let me come over here with that. Yeah, she's never been over there. And there it is, the Country Bear Playhouse entrance right now. That's where you see the Pooh Bear sign at Disneyland. Pretty amazing. Oh, look at that. Fantasyland model.
All this merchandise.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
What is that?
It's like a little Tom Sawyer raft. Like a bath toy.
I remember when they're so good.
Frontierland logs. Yeah. It's cool. Oh, that awesome post. Nature's Wonderland.
Trash
Who
can.
wouldn't want a trash can? For the low price, well, they're
It says
guessing
waste, please.
to $1,200.
It says please waste.
Oh, it's asking for the waste. Well, maybe it's telling you to waste. That's kind of weird. It says waste, please.
Bad trash can. Bad trash can.
You can see, pretty cool. They got the old parking lot signs on the post. I just remember walking down Main Street.
They're not moving now.
Checking out the window displays, and this is one from Cedar Road.
Is it a little nice over there?
Oh, yeah.
Old knickknacks.
Oh, here's a bunch of fun little trinkets that you could buy. Disney souvenirs. That hard hat's pretty cool. And then they got those awesome little figurines.
Little knickknacks.
Little knickknacks in here. Pretty cool.
They're knickknacks.
Here we have some old signage. Wow. Alright. So the Plaza Inn still has that fried, that's my tissue chicken. It's not even a fried chicken. This is the original giant fluorescent bee from the Disneyland Hotel. Oh, that thing is amazing. Alright. This was a design. You could drive your own Jungle Cruise boat. Put some money in, some coin in there, coins in there, and then you drove the little boat around. multiple map posters that are pretty incredible. They have some sketches for some ride ideas. Monster walkthrough.
Yeah.
And that's TikTok walkthrough. Oh, it's neat. That's some original concept drawings for Fantasyland. There's Dumbo, Tea Party, Casey Jr., Castle, Carousel. This guy was like the main attraction of the old submarine voyage. You saw him at the end. This is a big animatronic. It was at the end of the ride. The thing is gigantic.
What was the premise of it? Like, what was it? What happened to that guy?
I want some of these stuffed hitchhiking ghosts, man.
I never saw that before. That's cool.
Alright, and here is infamous Rocket Rod. I actually rode this. I got one ride on this. Waited like 2.5 hours. We were there just a few weeks after it opened up. So before it completely shut down for good and replaced one of my favorite rides ever, the People Mover. And there's that ride vehicle, and it just makes me sad. It's not there anymore. Alright, here's a rocket ship from Disneyland from when it was originally way up high. This will be a lot of fun. You have to ride the elevator up to get on board. You got that tilt, so you needed to really get up there so you didn't squash yourself. And there's an old Space Mountain ride vehicle. This is from after they put the sound on. They didn't always have the sound on. You can kind of tell where it was attached. But glow-in-the-dark vehicles, that floor was always a distinct memory for me. That rubber floor. Oh. Alright, so here's Adventure Through Inner Space, and this is like a little model from it. Used Omni-River system, like Haunted Mansion, and I remember riding this with my dad many years ago. And I was scared I was really going to get shrunk. Pretty silly. All of these old ride posters are just amazing. I love to have them. Well, there's a great big beautiful tomorrow. The original Star Tours posters. You'd see these when you got off of the ride.
$500.
There's Star Jets. That was at Walt Disney World. Wasn't it Disneyland? Oh, and there's a Tatooine poster. Man, I remember when this ride opened, we were so excited. It was such a mind-blowing experience. Okay, this is still very bittersweet to see this guy. I remember all the times we're riding this ride, pretty much with the whole family, my grandparents and my parents, around Tomorrowland. It was never a ride. It was always really fun to check out. Alright, so some of the other items they actually have here, some things you can do. They have a small gift shop where they have some things available back there. And then also upstairs you can actually do some arts and crafts project. And Maya got to draw a couple characters, learned how to do some characters like the Art of Animation School. Pretty neat stuff. They got a lot going on here. This isn't here for very long, just till the end of the month, till the end of August. Then they're having the auction.